Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by removing the case and any screen protector, then inspect the grill for lint or moisture. Use a soft brush. Next, restart the phone and play a test tone from settings to confirm hardware versus software. If sound is distorted or absent, boot into safe mode to isolate third-party apps. Once done, compare results. Make sure to note when the problem occurs. That detail guides whether you proceed to software resets or physical cleaning. Now you address both physical and software causes. First, use short bursts of compressed air and a soft brush to clear speaker grill and charging port. Avoid liquids. Then clear the cache partition or app caches and update system software, because corrupt caches often muffle audio. If an app caused it, uninstall or disable it. Also check audio routing, turn off Bluetooth and wired output, since misrouted audio can make speakers seem dead. Once done, retest with multiple media types. If tests show hardware failure, you move to repair. You can replace the speaker module if comfortable, following a device-specific guide, or bring the phone to a certified repair center for parts and warranty-safe work. Before opening, try external speakers or headphones to confirm the phone's audio chip works. If repairs are delayed, a factory reset can fix stubborn firmware issues. Backup first. If problems persist after replacement or reset, request a diagnostic from the manufacturer. They can detect.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.